Aneurysm or abnormal swelling of aorta can happen in any part of the body. It's not only the bulging or swelling of the aorta that causes problem, it can also dissect. There can be an injury to the internal part of the aorta and it can tear inside spontaneously. The segments which are affected will give rise generally when you blow a balloon. Let's say you balloon, what happens to the balloon is the balloon gets bigger, but you can see the wall get thinner. The stretching of balloon actually causes pain. If you have a segment aorta right in your chest, and it will cause pain because of stretching and increasing size. Since it gets bigger and bigger, it can compress surrounding structures. So if it compresses your airways, you can get breathlessness. If it compresses the airway, you can get cough. It compresses the nerves, it can cause paralysis of the nerve. Or sometimes you can also have a pain in your calf muscles, because when there is a swelling, the clot forms inside the swelling and it gets dislodged, and it go and block smaller vessels periphery, and they can give rise to pain.